Actress Ankita Lokhande, former girlfriend of late Bollywood actor Sushant Singh Rajput, has criticized actress Riya Chakravarti by saying, "Would anyone who claims to have loved someone so deeply allow the other person to consume drugs, claiming to know his mental state and condition?" Ankita posted a long note on Instagram in a bid to reply to all the haters. "I again clarify for the recent time and again being asked by the media to me whether I feel it's a murder or suicide. I have never said it's a murder or anyone in particular is responsible. I always have encouraged justice for my late friend SSR and stood by the bereaved family, and truth should be brought out by the investigating agencies." Ankita shared that she has complete faith in the Maharashtra state government, police and central government instrumentalities. In her post, Ankita said that she came forward only to speak about the mental health of Sushant, who died on June 14 till 2016. "Though when some lingos like Sautan and widow were used for me, which is in public knowledge, I have never responded to it. I only came forward to narrate about SSR and his mental health till 2016. Dear haters, let us assume you must have known in and out about your friend and what's going on in her life and relationship. Glad to see you wake up finally, but I wish you would have woken up sooner and advised your friend not to support any kind of drug abuse by SSR, if any, when she very well knew about his mental state by publicly stating that he was in depression." Ankita questioned if Riya should have allowed a depressed man to consume drugs. "How is that going to help? His condition would deteriorate to a level that would make a man take the action that SSR had allegedly taken. She was the closest person to him at that time. On one hand, she says she was coordinating with all the doctors for the betterment of health on request of SSR, and on the other hand, she was coordinating drug logistics for him. Would anyone who claims to have loved someone so deeply allow the other person to consume drugs, claiming to know his mental state and condition? Would you do that?" She wondered why it should not be considered an act of carelessness and irresponsibility. Riya was arrested on Tuesday by the Narcotics Central Bureau in a drug case as a part of the probe into Sushant's death. Ines report.